If you've ever thought about starting a YouTube channel but instantly talked yourself out of it because, I don't want to be on camera or I don't have the setup, this one's for you. Because I used to think the same thing. I actually started out the hard way, sitting in front of my computer, webcam on, lights glaring in my face, recording take after take, hoping the dog wouldn't bark or a loud car wouldn't drive by. I bought a cheap Logicam webcam and a Blue Yeti mic to make things sound decent. And yeah, the Yeti worked okay, but if I could do it over again, I'd grab one of those wireless lavalier mics that just clip onto your shirt. Way simpler, way cleaner. Anyway, live and learn, right? So, I barely worry about any of that stuff now because I found this shortcut. It's called Heygen. Heygen lets you create an AI version of yourself. You just record a quick 2-minute video talking casually into the webcam, just like I did, and boom, they turn it into your virtual twin. You're literally watching mine right now. And the coolest part, you don't need lights, you don't need a quiet room. Like my neighbor is mowing his lawn right this second, and you'd never know because I'm actually not recording this live. It's all generated with Heygen. And even better, I don't even write the scripts by hand anymore. I just hop into ChatGPT and say, hey, write something like this, like I'm chatting with a friend. I riff back and forth for a few minutes, and boom, it gives me something I can tweak and use. Then I either upload it into Heygen, or what I do is I just read it as a narration, like I'm doing right now. So I read it as a narration, and boom, content made. Heygen goes ahead and lip syncs. Excuse me. Heygen goes ahead and lip syncs my AI avatar with my narration. No stress, no mess, no excuses. So if you've been waiting to start your YouTube channel because you didn't want to be on camera, or you felt overwhelmed by the gear or the setup, this is your moment. This is the most amazing time to be alive. Take the shortcut. Click the link in the description to try Heygen using my affiliate link. And yes, I earn a little when you sign up. And honestly, I'll help you out if you're my affiliate. Just being real with you. Start creating content your audience can see, hear, and trust without ever worrying about your hair, your background, or your neighbor's lawnmower. Seriously, it's that easy. See you on your channel. Peace.